Royal Bank of Scotland RBS Credit Card Review. App: the pros, the cons. If you're considering an RBS credit card, the app promises to simplify account management, but does it really make your finances easier? One of the biggest pros is convenience. Most people get this wrong by assuming the app is just for checking balances. In reality, you can view transactions in real time, manage multiple RBS credit cards, set spending alerts, and even report lost or stolen cards directly through the app. For example, if you're traveling and notice unusual activity, you can freeze your card instantly. The app also provides helpful budgeting tools. You can categorize spending, track your monthly expenditures, and set alerts for payment due dates. This helps prevent missed payments and interest charges. Notifications can also keep you informed about new offers or card benefits. Another advantage is security. RBS employs strong encryption and biometric login options, reducing the risk of unauthorized access. This makes mobile banking safer and more convenient than relying solely on a physical card. However, there are cons. Some users report occasional slow loading times, especially when the network is busy. Features like rewards tracking may be less intuitive compared to dedicated rewards platforms, and certain advanced options may only be accessible via desktop banking. In conclusion, the RBS credit card app is ideal for everyday banking and managing credit cards on the go. The surprising truth is that while it streamlines transactions and monitoring, it doesn't replace the need to stay proactive about rewards, payments, and account security. If you want a reliable, easy-to-use mobile tool for your RBS credit card, the app delivers, but always double-check key details directly with your account to avoid surprises.